If you're going into your grow tent every day, checking temps nonstop, turning fans up and down, you're working too hard. Look, I've been running this exact setup for 3 cycles now, and it's the only reason I can leave town for the entire weekend without my plants suffering.
Yeah. TAC rich, yeah, we grow, we smoke it. Kansas City roots got the whole world token. Better buzz, better life. Yeah, that's the slogan. Tune in, stay lit. Exclusive, unbroken.
Today, I'm going to show you how to fully automate your grow tent using the AC Infinity Controller 69. Fans, lights, and humidity, so your grow room actually runs itself. And before you touch any settings, this part matters more than anything else. So this probe is pretty much the eyes and ears of your whole system. So if it's on the wall, near a fan, or too high up, the controller is going to react to the wrong environment. So you want your probe at the canopy of your plants. That's where your plants are, so that's where your probe goes.
Make sure you're programming the port you're actually plugged into. I'm in port 1, so I'm selecting port 1. If you program the wrong port, nothing happens. And this is where a lot of beginners make a mistake. For my exhaust fan, I like to use auto mode. Auto mode is just like a thermostat. The fan reacts so you don't have to. This is the setting most people skip, and this is why their fans turn on and off consistently.
I'm using about a 2-degree transition for temperature. This keeps my exhaust fan from going from 0 straight to 10, so it allows it to ramp up and ramp down. If you're using your inline fan to control humidity, this part's huge. Humidity jumps fast, especially with lights off.
Transitions tells the fan to ease into humidity control instead of panicking.
All right, now let's talk about lights. Lights are one of the easiest things to automate, but also one of the easiest things to screw up.
Light should never be reactive, so we set the lights on a schedule. Plants want consistency.
So once this is set, all you gotta do is flip your lights to whatever cycle you're in, and you know your light cycle will be perfect.
If humidity drops below your set point, your humidifier turns on. If it goes above your set point, it shuts off. Your exhaust fan only kicks on if your humidity goes higher than your set point.
All right, this is where a lot of people accidentally fight their own exhaust fan. You gotta give them a buffer. So if your humidifier turns on at 60%, don't set your exhaust fan to kick humidity out until 65. That little gap will keep your environment safe. Now everything's taking care of each other. The lights controlling the heat, the fans controlling the temperature and humidity, and the humidity's filling in the gaps. You're not micromanaging, you're just supervising. Now look, this is not gonna make you a better grower overnight, but it will remove a little stress, a little bit of humid air, and if plants love one thing, it's consistency. So if this helped y'all at all, hit that like button for me. And if y'all wanna learn how to go the easy way, go ahead and subscribe. Drop any questions down in the comments, I'll get back with you. And you know the deal, I'm THC Rich. Smoke good, do better. Peace.
Buzz, better life. Yeah, that's the slogan. Tune in, stay lit. Exclusive, unbroken.